Hiro-san.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Welcome back, and so excited for today's video. Many people have asked if Hiro can make something that has to do with sweet, something with sweet sushi. So now, Hiro-san, let's talk about it.
Okay, sweet sushi, right? It's kind of a little bit sounds weird to me.
Yeah, it does.
Sweet sushi. But anyway, today I'm gonna make a sushi rice. Not really called sushi rice, but I'm gonna make it sweet rice. But not using the sweet rice, the different type of the rice. I still using the regular koshihikari rice.
Okay.
And then this is the 8 ounce already here. So I'm gonna add the 8 ounce water, and here is a 4 ounce sugar here.
Okay.
So I'm gonna add it and cook it. Then we're gonna roll it up. Very special strawberry right here.
All right, let's take a look at this.
We have a red one, white one, and a pink one. Okay, so red one, this one coming from Fukuoka Prefecture. And this white one and a pink one coming from Saga Prefecture. And cost-wise, the red one is actually this one piece cost $3.60. And the white one piece cost gonna be $4.10. And the pink one piece $5.50. So basically pink is the most expensive.
Well, I remember we were in Japan, in Tokyo, and we saw that beautiful department store here. So many special free.
Mikoshi and the
Yes,
Ginza.
it was delicious. It was so good.
Very high-end fruits.
Yes. Let's go back and look at the video from Tokyo.
Sure.
Cantaloupe is $324 for one. Now, if you thought that was expensive, this fruit assortment is about $86 right here. And Hiro says that you can't compare, it's so sweet. Of course, there's different grades. This is $100 for this one. Cheaper, right? And this was $200, and this is double the price. But $216. I've never seen a cantaloupe looking thing for one, $324 for one. That is unbelievable. The packaging's nice, absolutely stunning. But I don't think I'd pay that much. For one apple, you're looking at $10 for one apple. And this assortment here is $43 for this. And go a little bit bigger at $54. And this one is $86. Here, would you pay that much for cantaloupe? $324 for one cantaloupe.
Yeah. Incredible,
Incredible, right? These grapes are $86 for this bunch. Right there, $86. They had one for $108 that's not there. You take a look. These darker grapes are $65 for that much. Probably the most expensive fruit I've seen in my life. And you think that this one over there is $86.40 approximately. Right, there you go, right in front of you. About $108. And that looks like the size of a pineapple, that amount. Alright, you guys seen this before. The square watermelon. The price, only $162. Really, really unique shape, huh? It's the size of my hand. So, really interesting. Oh, the house, like a house avocado. Alright, $3.78. Alright, that's about right, Hiro. In the States, it's about $1 each, maybe a little bit more. Alright, this has to be the king of grapes. $162 for this much. Here, right here, $162. Yeah. These peaches are great. Look at them, all these different things. It's beautiful, but so expensive. Okay, Hiro, let's go through the other ingredients that you have.
So, strawberry and rice and sugar, and I have a powder sugar here, and the mint. And today, instead of seaweed, I'm gonna use the soy
paper.
Soy paper.
Okay.
Okay, first I'm gonna wash the rice as normally I do. And the same amount of the water I'm gonna put inside. Here's the 4 ounce. Already calculation already. Mix it up. I'm gonna add some strawberries. Chop it up. Okay, red one, put into the rice pot. They smell nice.
Yeah.
Very sweet smell, right?
I actually had the red one yesterday, and it was actually very good. Very, very sweet. The white one is more of a citrusy taste.
More citrusy taste?
Yeah. The pink one I didn't try, so
Okay, let me try one.
try one.
This is the white one.
Okay. Kind of a citrusy. Not as sweet and fruity as the red one, as you would know a strawberry to taste.
That's pretty sweet. Let me see the pink one compare.
Let me try pink one too. How's the pink one?
To me, this white one is more like a. Try this white.
This is the pink one is $5 and what, 40 cents on it. This is $4.10 for one piece.
I was taking a picture of the other day of this is strawberry.
Yeah.
When you take this one very closer, look.
The little hairs on it.
Can you catch that?
Yeah, I can
It's
catch it
very
all.
close.
Oh yeah. So these were imported all the way from Japan, and your friends at True World right here on True World
Yeah,
saved them
true
for
or
you.
seafood.
So we appreciate that. Really great customer service there. Wow, this is going to be amazing. I can just see it now. Look at the strawberries.
I think this is enough.
It's a lot.
The last piece I want to eat.
Okay, enjoy.
Like that.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna try to cook this one.
All right.
Like this.
Good luck, Hiro.
This is my first time I trying this one.
With strawberries.
Give me luck, okay? Okay, rice is ready. I go get. Wow, look at this.
Oh, wow. Really interesting, huh?
right? Yeah, so first I'm gonna put out here, then
Okay.
I mix it up. Pink rice.
It looks like pink. And sweet too, so I can just imagine what it tastes like.
Right, mix it up and a little bit cooling down. Same as like a sushi rice. Going to be the rice coming outside. Okay.
Wow, those strawberries are huge. Beautiful too.
So now it's a big one, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is a white strawberry. pink one and white one. Okay.
Take a look at this. Talk about beautiful dessert sushi roll. Very, very special strawberries all the way from Japan. Hiro-san, this is beautiful. I can't wait to try it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. And who's ready to get down on these strawberries? Let me tell you what, I can't wait. Especially that sushi rice that you made.
Pink sushi.
Yeah, pink sushi rice. Wow. Can't wait. Thank you, Hiro.
Thank you very much.
All right. Wow. Wow, wow. Take one more look at this beautiful strawberry sushi roll. Made with very, very unique strawberries all the way from Japan. Hiro-san, I can't wait to try it. Enjoy. Right?
Yeah.
This is kind of late for Valentine's Day. Actually, we're early for next year. Next year, Valentine's sushi roll. So maybe take this and go a step further. Maybe come up with something more unique. Hiro-san, enjoy.
Okay.
Yep.
Wow.
Okay.
Very strawberry.
Very strawberry.
Very, very strawberry.
Use my fingers here. Take a look.
Okay.
Perfect amount of sweetness, not too much. I know you went with 4 ounces of sugar. I think it's perfect.
Right.
Tastes like strawberry bread pudding, but it's not hot. You know, the strawberries are really nice flavor here. And perfectly sweet. I like it though. This is really, like I said, very strawberry. If you like strawberries, this is your roll.
Good.
Good. I like the powdered sugar too. Adds a little bit more sweetness to it. Really nice touch. I just think of how many white strawberries you use. So $5 and change for each one. This is actually a very expensive roll as well. I'm going to put down a price tag down below. This is what the roll cost. After we added up all the strawberries.
Put the strawberry inside of the rice.
That's right. You added a bunch of those. So that's what this roll costs, guys. Look down below. You'll see it. I don't know if you pay that much for this, but better enjoy it, Hiro. All right, there you go.
Yep.
Hope you guys liked it. And comment below. What do you want to see Hiro do next?
See you next time.